aka the teacher. My pupils calls me the teacher. We are here to do mathematics indeed. Be ready for the lesson that is coming forth. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome, please. On the solving board today, we are dealing with cosine rule, and the question is to find the shortest distance. So the shortest distance that we are talking about is the distance from point B to the line PK. Hence, that shortest distance is going to form a right angle with the PK, of which the PK is going to be the base. So how do we do that? First of all, find the distance PK. How do you do that? You use the cosine rule. In this case, the cosine rule is going to be used in a manner that the interior angle is this one. Then the two sides adjacent to that angle are these. This B is opposite to PK. So we write a small letter B here on the line. Then this point P is opposite to BK. So we write a small p there. Then this K is opposite to PB, so you write a K there. After doing that, the side that is opposite to the interior angle is going to be the first in squared form, so we have B squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the two adjacent sides, meaning K squared plus P squared minus 2KP cos. So P, B, K. This is an angle. Then from there we can substitute. When you look at this shape again, our B is the unknown. So we are looking for this B. So we say B squared is equal to K squared. K in this case is this 5 squared, then plus P squared. P is that 3. 3 squared minus 2 times 5 times 3, then cos 110 degrees. When that is done, you just get a scientific calculator, and these numbers, just the way they appear, just push them into your calculator like that. So I start, we are saying 5 squared plus 3 squared, then minus 2 open brackets 5 times 3 close brackets cos 110. So we have B squared is equal to 4.2606, like that. What you are looking for is B, so you find the square root here and also the square root the other side. Without deleting what you have on the calculator, you just say root answer equals, it will give you 6.65. Therefore B is equal to 6.65 meters. So B has been found, hence B is equal to 6.65 meters. You now have to find the area of the scalene. Area of a scalene is going to be, area is equal to half AB sine angle. In this case, we have the scalene with us here. So when we say AB, these are the two sides adjacent to the angle. So one of them is A, one of them is B. Then this is the angle, so the angle is 110. This is going to be equal to 1 over 2 times 5 times 3, then sine 110. Again, at this point, you can just say this is 1 over 2. 5 times 3 is going to give you 15, so times 15, then sine 110 degrees. 2 there, 1. 2 there, 7.5. So you have, this is going to be equal to 7.5 sine 110 degrees. The calculator, you just say 7.5 sine 110 equals, it will give you the answer, and the answer is 7.05. therefore 7.05 meters squared. This is your area. From there, we now have to go to the actual work that we are here for, shortest distance. So shortest distance is from here to there. You know the formula for area of a triangle. This is a scalene, and then this is a right angled triangle. So we can say area, which is half times A B sine angle, is equal to half times base times height. Remember, we used this formula to calculate area of that scalene. So the answer is 7.05 meters squared. In this case, we are going to write 7.05. Then this will be equal to 1/2. The base in this case is what we calculated as B. So 6.65, that is our base, times 6.65, then times H. This H is this same shortest distance, so we are looking for this distance. Then from there, you can cross multiply. When you cross multiply, these two is going to multiply this number here. So what are you going to get? You get a 14.095. 14.095 is going to be equal to 6.65H. After doing that, you now have to divide both sides by 6.65 so that you find H. So we divide by 6.65, even there by 6.65, like that, such that this will go with that. Then you divide this number into the 14 point, you are going to get 2.12. Therefore H is equal to 2.12 meters, and this is the answer. The end of our lesson. Please, if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do so. It's mathematics all the way until Jesus Christ comes. Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics.